Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to give KVD Beauty another try. So, I bought a KVD Beauty mystery box. If you want to see what's in it, just keep watching. We're getting into it right now. Here on Get This Glowing. Guys, you know, KVD Beauty has been Kat Von D Beauty, whoever she is. Anyway, whoever she is not who she is anymore, or the brand is not what it was once was anymore, or whatever. Anyway, so whatever the brand was that people were canceling, counterculture canceling, I don't even know what that is. But anyway, I think that they've been changed or taken over, or that person isn't a part of it anymore, and so now it's KVD Beauty, and I'm giving it another try, and I want to see what that brand's all about. And so anyway, it popped up on my email that they were having this mystery box thing, and I got one because y'all know I'm not getting boxes right now, and I miss boxes. So I got one, and I want to see what's in it. So I'm so excited. I got a box. I got a box. I got a box. I got a box to open. Oh my goodness. Woo! So if you want to see what's in this box, sit on back and grab yourself a cup of coffee or a glass of tea or something to drink, a glass of wine or whatever, and let's get into this thing. Hey! Go ahead and smash that subscribe button too. And you know that little bell that's right beside it? Hit it so you don't miss any of my videos, because hey, guess what? There ain't many things in life that's free, but that is. So go ahead and take advantage of the freebie and click that button, because you don't want to miss Get This Glowing. You can let your little light shine here on Get This Glowing. So let's get into this. I got my handy dandy box cutter. So let's rip it open, baby. Okay, let's see. Oops, there's some more cutting to do. All right, let me see. She got it taped up good. Let's see what's in this puppy. It still says Kat Von D on it. I thought that this person wasn't attached to this brand no more. They said that she wouldn't. So what's that all about? But on this, it says Vegan Beauty KVD. So there you go. Okay, .com 2020 mystery plus a mini everlasting liquid lipstick for free. Okay. So that must be what this is. And this is in the shade. Oh my goodness. Mother. That's what shade it's in. That ain't me saying that. That's what shade it's in. Mother. Okay. And that's a pretty, like, purpley pink shade. Like rosy shade. Okie doke. All right, and everything's all sealed up in a bag like this. It comes all nicely packaged in a Ziploc. It's a Ziploc bag. Okay, let's see what's all in this bad boy. I hope I got a palette. Okay, KVD Locket Makeup Setting Mist. Okay, let's see. Water, SD alcohol. There is SD alcohol in this. Okay, lock it. All right. Let's see. That's a nice mist. Okie doke. It doesn't really come out, you know, in like squirts or anything. It's a nice setting mist. It comes out in a very fine mist, so I will like that. So okay, we'll give that a try. It doesn't have a scent. It doesn't choke you. So yeah, I can get along with that just fine. Okay, here's something else that says Lock It on it. What is that? Oh, it's a brush. Okay, great. An Edge foundation brush. I love brushes. This was $70 for this box, for this mystery box. So this is the number 10 Edge foundation brush. Oh, and I have been so into brushes that are shaped like this lately. So that feels really nice. Yes, I'm going to really like that. So, woohoo, I like this. And I love the tapered end on that. That feels nice in the hand. I really like this one. I've been really getting along with brushes that are this type of a shape lately. So, I like that. Some kind of little makeup baggie that you can put stuff in. It really won't hold much, so this is not a very good design. I mean, it's nice and probably like vegan leather or something, so it looks nice. It just probably won't hold very much. Tattoo liner. I love tattoo liner from this brand, and this is in, I hope this is in brown. It's in a brown package. So yes, Mad Max Brown. I love this. Oh, I'm really happy to have this. So yes, it's a dark brown. Love it. Love the tattoo liner, and I love that it's in brown. Everlasting liquid lipstick. Bow and arrow. Let's see what this is. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I probably will like, I think I'm going to like this color a lot, actually. This is my kind of shade right here. So this is the color right here. And let's see. Ooh, I like this. I really need to put it on by itself. I'm putting it over the top of Pillow Talk. But this is a very pretty color. It's like a brown, sepia, pinky, nudie type of a color, but I could see me really using this, and I like that color. I've never had one of these types of liquid lips. Let's see. This is, ooh, Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter in Gamma Ray. It's like a rose gold, like a pink. Ooh, this is pretty. That's a really pretty color. Let's see. This is pretty sticky. I'll probably have to use something over the top of that. Let's see how this one looks on the skin. That actually looks really nice. I like that. You can use it like a blush topper, really. That looks pretty nice. And it actually kind of goes with the look that I've got going on. I like it. That's a hit too. That's really nice. And this is Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter in Gamma Ray. And it's really pretty. It has it's just a rose gold. That's really the only way that you can describe it, is a rose gold. Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Requiem. And probably I won't open this one. No, this is a lilac shade. Definitely won't use this. Lilac does not look good on me. So I will save this one for a giveaway for someone who can use it. Anti-Precision Pencil Smoky Eyeliner. Okay, let's see what makes that anti-precision. Oh, very big. Okay, well, I won't use that either. So I'll save that too for a giveaway. And then this is the Shade and Light Contour Palette. And that's what this looks like. And I'm not going to swatch this because actually I have a contour palette that's like this from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just don't think that I would probably use this, so I will save this for a giveaway as well for someone else who can use this. So yeah, I will save this. Okay, so what did you think about this box? Do you think it was worth the $70? So what did I get that I will actually use? Definitely, I got the Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter. I like that. It's very pretty on. I love that a lot. I got the Tattoo Liner in brown. I love this. I got the brush that I will definitely use and like. I got the liquid lip, and this was in Bow and Arrow. I like that very much. So for $70, what all did we get? We got setting spray, definitely going to use. I got liquid lip, definitely going to use. Brush, definitely going to use. Tattoo liner, definitely going to use. Highlighter, definitely going to use. Liquid lip, not going to use, but we'll pass on. A eyeliner anti-precision pencil, not going to use, but we'll pass on. And a contour palette, not going to use, but we'll pass on. So we got 8 items, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because I got a free item. Yeah, 8 items in the box and 1 free item for $70. That's a pretty good deal. I think that's a good deal. I definitely got my money's worth, and I got some items to pass on as well. So I think that was a good deal. What do you think about the box? Do you think it was a good deal? Okay, let me know in the comments below. Did you pick up this box? Do you think it was a good box? Do you think I should have passed? Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you would like to, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. Bye for now.